Hi guys, so this is going to be my newborn baby haul, and these things I got them from 3 different stores. One is from Carter's. I shopped Carter's.com, and on Carter's you have Carter's itself, Osh Gosh, and then Skip Shop or something like so. So this big bag is what I have all the baby clothes in. If you have not seen our gender reveal video, I do have a gender reveal makeup video that is now live, so you can check it out. First of all, let me talk about my hair. I am wearing my LONGQI hair, my LONGQI Cambodian Deep Curly, honey. And the video this is like my third video with this hair, because the first video I had to split it in two. So I show you guys how I colored it, what I used to color it with, and I love this so much. This is everything. And I am wearing a frontal, Cambodian curly. After if LONGQI keeps up with this, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I love it. I love it. If you have not tried any texture from LONGQI, try their Cambodian. Alright, so a couple of things I also got from one of my friends, Carol, because what I did, Carol and Andre is Jonathan's godfather, because what I didn't have, hold on, so what I didn't have were like mittens and like socks and stuff, so she got me a bunch of these, which I'm grateful for. Some wash rags, just call them rag, I'm gonna call them wash rags. So I have some rags as well, and these I just want to show you guys the stuff that I got from Carter's. Yeah, the Carter's stuff are so cute. So first of all, you guys know the gender, so this is one, is so cute, and I got a pack of these for $5. I think it was between $5 and $7, and to me that's cheap, because that's like $1,000 Jamaican for like Carter's, and out here Carter's is a brand. So girl, like $7 for 5 of these, and I got them in different colors. 1, 2, oh my gosh, and there's like some other ones. Where are they? Oh my lord. No, there's another one. There's another Carter's one as well, newborn, and all the sizes, as you can see, it says MNB. All the sizes I got in a newborn size, for majority, if not majority, then every single one that I bought from Carter's. Simply because Jonathan was born tiny, Jermaine born tiny, Jermaine brother born tiny, so apparently tiny children run in the family. So in light of that, and then when I did my ultrasound, they said that they were concerned about the babies. Excuse me, they were concerned about the babies. They were saying that the baby was small, and they were very concerned, and they're going to put me on like a bi-weekly regime of coming to the ultrasound place to check on the babies and progress, weight gain, and all that stuff. And I was like, I'm not letting y'all wear me any. No. Oh, and here's another one. Oh, this blue is hella blue on camera. It's navy blue, but this blue is hella blue on camera. That is crazy. It's navy. It's not that bright. And then I got these. Again, I feel like these are going to be too big. Oh Lord, I feel like they're going to be so big. So I got these like Marina one. You guys call them this, I think, but Marina one. And I got another set for either $7 or $5 for those as well. Oh, I see one more here. It says little hero. There's a hero. Then I got this another vest one. I feel like these are too big, because Jonathan never born this big. Oh Lord. And this Jonathan had one just like this one, this blue and white one. Oh my god, oh my god. So anyway, so that's Carter's. I have way more stuff from Carter's, like tons and tons, and they're all newborn size. No, I want to show y'all some things that I bought from Pat. So Pat is a store that I came across via Instagram, and I was like, oh, let me check their stuff out. First of all, let me see if they have this sizing. Let me see. It says 3 to 6 medium, and this brand is called Gerbil. So 3 to 6 medium, guys. Look at this. What? This can fit Jonathan. What on earth is going on? Their sizing is so weird. If you're going to buy from Pat, watch a lot of YouTube videos because their sizing is very, very, very weird, because I knew that the child would have born small based on what I've experienced. And the clothes that they have, oh, and I have this set. Oh! So this set, oh my gosh, it's so good. So that it comes with 2 pants, joggers, shirts things. So I think I just got 1 or 2 of these butt things. And then I'm like, it was weird. It was weird. It was like animals around the butt. I'm like, no, that's too weird. And then I got this other one, but then I'm sorry, it's on the wrong side. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see it. I don't want to put, let me tell you why I don't want to put them on the right side, because I'm going to put them back in this bag and in the closet. And I don't know, I just feel like I don't want to mess it up. I don't know. But yeah. Excuse me. So again, let me show you again stuff from Pat Pat. Gosh, why does it say the thing? Oh, the sizing. Guys, this is huge, you know, and it stretches. Look at that. This is huge. This is too big, but I'm gonna keep it. I don't know why. Even so, to this day, Jonathan is known for. To this day, Jonathan can still fit his onesies. I mean, it can button, but it can go on him, you know. Oh Lord, let me show you guys one more thing. And this onesie, I was so like, this can fit Jonathan. This onesie I was so excited about. It says, I've got my man on my mummy and my mummy on my man. I love that. Shit, it's too big. What the hell? Pat, some little cleanse. Papa, I don't know where I deal with Papa. I don't know where I deal with. But yeah, that's basically all I have. No, I have I have a lot more clothes left, but this video is already 11 minutes. Well, it's not 11 minutes, probably like 9 or so minutes. I don't want to make it that long. Oh, and it's the shirt that came with the shorts, set that shirt with stuff on the bottom. This is it. Oh. I am geeked, you guys. It's like the first time I'm having a child. As I told you guys before, I'm just so much more aware, careful as I am. I'm just so much more aware in this pregnancy. Like, I'm being mindful of what I eat. You can help me? Yes. Thank you. I'm being mindful of what I eat, stuff that, you know, kind of don't go really well with my belly, stuff like that. So yeah. So Jonathan, he's going to be such an amazing big brother. Like, if I ask him to rub my belly, he does. If I ask him to pray, he does. Pray for the baby, he does. And also, like, he would just come to me out of the blue and say, Mommy, I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I actually have a what's in my hospital bag video. I'm not sure if I'm going to film it now. I'd really love to, so I can have like a lot of videos for you guys, because based on how I've been feeling, I'm either moody or just not feeling well. You want to get tight? No, move. What's this? Lip gloss. Jesus, you want to have my kiss? No, and them something I do now. I suck on off the lip gloss, but not the kiss. Yes, I really want to film what's in my diaper bag, what's in my hospital bag for baby and mom.
Can I zip up anything or tie anything or put anything?
I must call you. Right, so I want to film those, but I kind of want to wait until I get more, like, get the diapers and stuff. Yeah, I kind of want to wait until I get the diapers and the wipes and stuff that I actually need for the baby bag, because it's a lot. I need a basin because they gave us a list. So I need even a basin for that. So after my baby shower, then I can probably do that haul. Not haul, like what's in my bag for baby and me. I still need some stuff for myself. I still haven't got the maternity pads yet or none of that. So I'm going to go on the route tomorrow, Wednesday or Thursday. And I'm gonna get the stuff that I need to get. I'm extremely excited. I have so much videos planned for y'all. Y'all ain't even ready, honey. Y'all ain't even ready. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Oh, LONGQI HAIR. Zony one trip. Zony one trip, honey. Link in the description. Zony one trip.